Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I've received in the package from Amazon a wooden castle, dice castle, that needs to be slotted together, obviously. And this is going to be the first time we're going to try it. So we're going to try it in a game of your request tonight and see how it goes. So good instructions. The actual castle itself, pre-cut out, so we'll see how easily that goes together. Instructions, of course. One-sided. A small bag of tacks, so I might need a little hammer. And, or are they screws? Got to be screws, surely, because it comes with a little screwdriver. That's pretty cool. I'll use it again. Not bad for 26 bucks if it works alright. So it comes with this little, like a nail file. That's to cut the wood. That came together. It comes here, basically you make two pieces. Pretty simple. And just goes in there, yeah. And it would be a little bit difficult with someone with eyes that aren't as great as they used to be. But it definitely works well. It's going to stop anybody arguing over the dice throw. Cool. My daughter just reminded me it also stops us from accidentally losing dice that roll underneath the house because they've fallen off the table. So look at that. Oh, that would have been a good defense. So yeah, and even came with a free gift. Not quite 100% sure what to do with this. But anyway, I don't mind free stuff. Oh, they punch out. Oh, cool.
I was all mad and everything and just falls off the edge of the bench.
So it turns, it's a little, you can make a little figurine out of that. So it's a little monk, blood hunter monk. There you go. But yeah, that was $26.95. That included free delivery from Amazon. I'll send you the link. Yep, happy for that money.
No, not funny when they do that. What's that? Isn't it supposed to only use one? For where are we going?
Door opener.
To Goblin Gore.
Okay.
So the verdict from myself and the kids is that was definitely worth the 27 bucks to use, and yeah, played well through the whole game. It makes a really nice sound actually. It's quite satisfying. As it turns out, the little file was actually for, sometimes you get little rough edges where it came out of the, I don't know what you call it, but when you take it apart before you put it together, there's sometimes some little rough edges, and it's just for filing those off, and it's the perfect little device for that. So yeah, really happy. And it comes apart, so it'd be easier to take wherever you want to take it. Winner.